All right, so here we are. This is about 6 months after my second journey of locks. For those of you who don't know, I've had locks before. I had an undercut and I had very long locks at the top of my head. And this time, for my second go round, I decided to add locks to my entire head. I wanted to have more of a tapered shape with my locks. So this is why you see it the way it is. But this video is about me adding extensions to mainly the top of my hair. And the reason why I'm doing this is because of the length that I am dealing with at the top of my head. Some are shorter than others and some are longer than others. The ones that are short, I want them to be a little bit more extended so that my hair can continue to lock. So this is only 6 months. Some are locked and some are not. And what I mean by that, they've already started shrinking and maturing, but my top hasn't because I have fine, soft hair and it's thick. So that's a plus for me, especially with my roots. So my hair is freshly washed, freshly retied. I'll make sure that I put all of the links down below in the description box. Maybe I'll just put one with all of the products and the tools that I'm using within this video. And yeah, let's get started. So this is Afro Bulk Human Hair, and I got it in, I believe, the 6 or the 8 inch. But what you want to do is pick enough hair that mimics the thickness of the lock that you are about to attach this as an extension to. And you want to make sure that you prepare it in a way where it's easy to slide through your lock. So what you see me doing is pulling to make sure I don't have an extra, short hairs. Roll it up, make sure I can feel that it's the right thickness, and then I'm going to pull it through my lock. And I do this at about a fingertip length. So I hope that makes sense, but you'll probably see it in the clip. So yeah, there we are. About a fingertip is where I place the hair. And then what I'm going to start off with first is interlocking. This is an interlocking tool. This is a dreading tool. And what it does is it causes you to dread or lock or interlock or knot your hair. So I'm doing that at the beginning part so that I can make sure that it won't come loose. You don't have to do this. You can go right into braiding it. And then once you get about 3 or 4, braided passes down, you'll just twist the rest. And you can see I have a bud that's right there because that's where my lock is. So after doing that, I want to make sure that, it's seamlessly pulled together. So I'm going to use this dreading tool or this dreadlock tool once again, just to make sure that I can pull all of that hair through and make it seamlessly from root to tip. And that's it. Very simple. So purpose of doing this, just to stretch my hair out a little bit, especially in the top where I have some areas where they're short because they're not completely locked. I'm not sure if this even makes sense of what I'm saying, but I just wanted to have this particular shape. For those of you who know me as BeautyCutright, I am all about shape and style over length. So this worked out very well for me. I'm very aware of that. I am going to be cutting this as well, but for now, I'm going to enjoy it. See you in the next video.